Hey everyone, if you are a Forex trader and you use the MT4 trading platform, you know all about indicators. And you may have searched and tried dozens of different indicators. There are thousands out there available. Well, I'm here to share with you my favorite indicator. And I'm going to give it to you actually. I give it to all of my students. Hi, I'm Rick Ray from rickrayfx.com. That's my website. I'm a full-time Forex coach, trader, and fund manager. And I've been using this one indicator since day one. It's great. It's absolutely fantastic. And I give it to all of my students. But I've had people recently that have done a search for it, can't find it on different forums. They find it and it's got some programming errors. So I've decided that I'm just going to give it away. Okay, so stay tuned to the end of this video and find out how you can get my favorite indicator absolutely free. All right, but first let's jump in and look at a couple of charts. I'll show you what this indicator is, how it works, and I'm sure you're going to love it. Okay, let's look at the charts. Okay, as I said, this is my favorite indicator and I've been using it since day one, and it's only usable on MT4. I've tried to find a version for MT5, but it hasn't been developed yet. Okay, so if you use MT4, you will love this indicator. And why do I like it so much? Well, because it's neat and clean. When I first started trading Forex years and years ago, my first instructor told me about all of these trend lines and moving averages. My chart was just full of lines and colors. I couldn't even see the candles. But with this indicator, it keeps your chart neat and clean. And it's accurate. It's very, very accurate. It's the most accurate indicator that I have ever seen in all of my years of trading. And the great thing is it updates automatically. You don't have to do anything once you've installed it. It gives you reliable entry points, stop losses, and take profit points. It's fantastic. You're really going to love this. What is it? Well, it's a support and resistance indicator. And if you've been trading for any time at all, you know the importance of support and resistance in trading currencies and commodities, because that's all they do. They go from one level to the next level to the next level. They go from support down to the next support, down to the next support, or if they're moving up, they go to resistance, to the next resistance, to the next resistance. This indicator that I've been using since day one is called the TZ Pivots D version 3.5. And just to show you on a couple of charts, you can look at all the charts, it's all the same. This is the indicator over here on the right hand side. It has 5 levels, 5 support levels, S1 to S5, 5 resistance levels, R1 to R5. This FPV, this is the pivot point. This is generally the starting point for the day. And as it moves up, you'll see gold yesterday was consolidating at this resistance level, 18.19. And then the non-farm payroll news came out, and of course it was bad news for the US, so the gold skyrocketed. Okay, it broke through the first resistance level right there, 18.30, but then look at that, it came down and consolidated at that very, very key previous price point of 18.30. And it stayed there for several hours, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 hours. Now this works also on currencies. Here's just an example of the Euro US. We have it consolidating here at this first resistance level, 1.2072. Then the non-farm payroll news came out, which was bad for the US, so the Euro went up like a rocket. And it came up to R3. This went past the first resistance level, of course, because the news was so dramatic. And then it consolidated for a couple of hours at the next resistance level. And then as it starts to move up, if you're watching it, you can ask yourself, where is it going? Well, it's going to the next resistance level, which is right here. And that's exactly what it did. Okay? It went to 1.2169 and stayed there for 3 hours. So this gives you great entry points, take profit zones, and stop loss zones. And very easy to install. Once you do, it updates itself every day, and it works on all time frames. Okay, so now if you want to get this indicator to install on MT4, all you have to do is message me at my Telegram at RickRayFX. just message me and request free indicator, and I'll send it to you straight away. Okay? So before you go, I just got a question for you, the question of the day. Please let me know in the comments, what is your favorite indicator? All right? I'd love to hear from you. Just tell me what your favorite indicator is, regardless of how long you've been trading. I'd love to hear from you, and I will engage with you. I will reply to all comments in all of my videos. So don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Be sure and click the little bell on the end there so you'll get notifications every time I make a YouTube video. And thanks for watching this. I really appreciate it, guys. Enjoy the indicator, and I will see you next time. Take care. Bye-bye.